Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Bilal AI Universe channel. So yeah, take a look at this channel, you guys. This channel has only uploaded 10 videos, and if I scroll down, you guys can see his oldest video he's uploaded was only 8 days ago, and with that he is gaining like millions of views. Like, take a look at this video, 1.1 million views, another 1.1, and then like around 500 views in his like almost every other video. And you know, with his only 10 videos, he has gained over 18, like almost 20k subscribers, which is literally insane. So what is this guy doing? This guy is literally pulling out the best format you can do on YouTube. He's making 3D cartoonish stories with different characters like dogs, and you know, these kind of stories do so well on YouTube. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and create these kind of stories very easily with the help of free AI tools. Yeah, that's right, you guys. The whole process that I'm going to do today would be absolutely free. You can go ahead and try it out with yourself without paying for any subscription, any money, no nothing whatsoever, right? So yeah, if I go ahead and go to his one of the popular videos, so you guys can see this video performed really well, over 1 million views. So if I go ahead and play this one, and I want you guys to take a look at this video a bit, just to get an idea like what we will be doing today in this tutorial.
Are you? No, it can't be, not my friends. Save! People! Trapped! Ryder! I heard you! Oh!
So yeah, you guys get an idea. This guy is basically, you know, doing kind of a storyline within his AI 3D characters. So in this video, we have a dog, and he's basically going here and there just to save his friend because some kind of destruction happened. So, you know, there's some kind of a dialogue involved in that, a background music, some kind of sound effects. So that's exactly what we're going to do today in this video. I'm going to tell you the complete process, how you can go ahead and make these kind of videos very easily, right? So yeah, first of all, for that, we need to go ahead and basically start off by playing this video from here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this. So we're gonna do the same process as we did in our last video. I'm gonna take a screenshot, come to ChatGPT and simply paste that screenshot right over here, and in the prompt I'm gonna say describe this image as a prompt so that I can create it in any AI image generator, basically a 3D cartoonish image. And backside you guys can see there's some kind of a destruction going on, so I want you to go ahead and create this exact image, which is face zoomed in, highly detailed, sharp and 3D animated cartoon dog behind a construction and you know, everything like that. So first of all, give me the prompt please. So yeah, after that ChatGPT is gonna basically provide me, like, he will describe the character for me, which is a highly detailed 3D animated cartoon zoomed in on his face with big expression, brown eyes and a shocked bird expression. And you know, ChatGPT, you guys can see, has beautifully described the character so that we can create it in any AI image generator that we like, right? So yeah, after our prompt is generated for a character, I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy this prompt, and first of all we'll be generating images, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and come to ChatGPT again, simply paste my prompt right over here, and at the end I will describe 16:9 ratio. So for that, ChatGPT provided me with this image, which looks, to be honest, very highly detailed than our reference image. Like, this was a very cartoonish, and you know, if I take a look at my image, so this looks way better. It's highly detailed, it's still cartoonish, but you know, it looks very HD. So that's exactly what we want. We have basically, you know, created this image in a better way with our own image generation. So after, you know, our first character has been generated, so now we're gonna go ahead and create our story. So let's just say what our story is gonna be. So our story would be, you know, the dog is very worried because his hometown is being destructed, so he's going here and there. He's basically trying to find for help, and we'll be basically creating 4 to 5 prompts just to give you a sample like how we'll be creating things. So for that, I basically went ahead and described the whole story to ChatGPT, what I want, and I said, you know, provide me the prompt, like 4 to 5 sample prompts for that. And then ChatGPT provided me the whole series of prompts. Number 1 would be standing worried, wide shot, then running towards the destruction. And again, you guys, don't worry, if you want, I'll provide you these all prompts down in the description, so you can go ahead and create your own version. You can obviously go ahead and edit those prompts according to your liking. That's really simple. So yeah, now our prompts are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and simply create all of these images into my ChatGPT one by one. Like, here's my second prompt, then my third prompt, then my fourth prompt, and then my fifth prompt. And for all of that, let me show you the images that ChatGPT created me. It was the first one, you already saw that. Then this is the second one. Okay, we will be going to animate those later, so don't worry. So this is the third one, dog running towards the destruction. The fourth one, dog working on a crane. And the fifth one, dog talking to his fellow dog or his friend. Okay, so yeah, once all of my images are done, I'm gonna go ahead and simply download this from here one by one. Alright you guys, so once all of my images are downloaded, as you guys can see, so now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and animate those images with the help of image to video generation. So now what we're gonna do, are we gonna try some simple image to video generation with no voice, nothing whatsoever. We have to add lip sync. We have to do lip sync first of all, add some background music, some sound effect. That would be a very lengthy process, and that we used to do way before ago, but now we have Google Veo 3 to do all that for us, you guys, right? And yes, we'll be using Google Veo 3 for absolutely free. I'm gonna show you the complete step. Like, I'm gonna prove it to you in this video, you guys, how you can use Google Veo 3 for absolutely free. So for that, you need to go ahead and go to your Google tab, open a new one, and search over here Opal. All right, and then you're gonna click on Welcome Opal Experimental. Go to your first link right over here. So this is basically an experimental app builder app from Google. So you can go ahead and create your apps over here very easily without any problem. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to create an app that's gonna generate Google Veo 3 videos for us. You can do text to video in that as well as image to video. So yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna click on Try Opal, and then it's gonna ask you to sign in with your Gmail. I'm gonna do that real quickly. Alright, so once you are signed in, it's gonna direct you directly into your home page. And over here it's gonna say you if you are not in the suitable country, it's gonna say your Opal is not available in your country. So don't worry, I myself has turned the VPN on, so you just have to turn the VPN on in order to go straight away into the home page. So yeah, just remember to turn your VPN on before going to Opal. Okay, so once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to this create new button. We're gonna create a new app. All right, so over here is saying describe what you want to build. So I have a prompt ready with me. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So I'm gonna tell to Opal that what I want to create. So this prompt is ready. I'm gonna provide this prompt in the description as well, so you can create yours as well. I'm gonna simply click on generate. Alright, and just like that, it's gonna go ahead and create that app for me in no time, within just few minutes. So you guys can see this is how our workflow is gonna look like. So first of all, we have a starting image or animation instruction. So what this means, either you can start with image to video generation, or either you can start with text to video generation. Then you can simply click on generate, and it's gonna create the video for you without any watermark, with dialogues, with sound effects in 1080p resolution. Yeah, that's right, I'm gonna prove to you guys right in this video. Okay, alright, so first of all, we're gonna go ahead and start with clicking on Start Photo Motion Studio. And first of all, it's asking me to upload your JPG or PNG image. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my first image right over here, because we're doing image to video generation. Here is my first image, yeah. And then simply click on Submit. And then it's gonna ask you to describe the animation for your image, like what would be the prompt. So for the prompt, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and the images that we created, I'm gonna simply copy this image, paste into another tab of ChatGPT right over here. Like, first of all, I said to ChatGPT that create me like Google Veo 3 prompts, like, the prompts I want. They would be like a dog, so they would be dog who would be working on a construction company, like working something. There would be some kind of destruction going on in the background. So I said I'll provide you the image. So for that image, you're gonna provide me the Google Veo 3 prompts for that. And I also said, I also want dialogues and sound effects in that as well. So he said, okay, you can go ahead and start giving me. So I basically submitted the first image to ChatGPT, and then he provided me the Veo 3 prompt for that image, right? So I'm gonna simply copy this, come to Opal and paste it right over here. So here is our prompt, and then simply click on Submit. Okay, so it's enriching animation prompt, and it's only gonna take around like less than a minute to make our generation. And meanwhile, if I show you the prompt, so the prompt was a cartoon dog wearing a yellow construction helmet stand in front of a ruined construction site with smoke and collapsed buildings, and he's also inputted the dialogues. Okay, I'm going to build a crane in order to help. Can you help me do that, please? So yeah, these kind of dialogues is gonna provide. And similarly for all of my images, I basically created Google Veo 3 prompts for that. Like, here's my second image, here's a prompt for that. Here's my third image, here's the prompt for that. So here's the fourth image, here's the prompt for that. So in this whole tutorial, everything depends on prompts. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna provide you the complete set of the prompt down in the description, so you can start, just copy paste that in ChatGPT, and you can create your own as well. And you can like literally do that in the free version of ChatGPT. You don't require subscription at all, you guys, okay? Alright, so now let's just go ahead and check Opal, like where our generation is. Okay, it's generating animated videos. So let's just wait for a few more seconds once it's done. Alright, so it's almost done. It's displaying video with download option. We have to wait for a few more seconds. Alright, so here we go. Our video is completed. So now if you want to go ahead and view it on full screen, you need to go to this app button, and then you can go ahead and just play your volume, like maximize your volume, and let's just play this and see how it looks.
Destruction going on. What should I... Oh my god, there is so much destruction going on. What should I do? The building is about to fall off. Okay, I'm gonna bring a crane in order to help. Oh my god.
Alright, and yeah, you guys can see this looks absolutely perfect. And similarly, I went ahead and followed the same process and created like 4 to 5 more generations. Here was my second one.
I can't waste any more time. If I don't act now, everything will be gone. Where is that crane? I need to find it fast.
And here was my third one. Take a look at this.
This is so dangerous. What if the crane can't hold it? Oh no, it's slipping.
So you guys can see, how beautifully it has did that. There's no watermark. There is no problem of background sound. The lip sync is to the point, and everything looks so good. So this is the beauty of Google View 3. And now, in this video, I told you how you can use that for absolutely free. This is basically right now the best, method to use Google View 3. And right now, I've been generating like non-stop on this platform, and the results were absolutely flawless. So yeah. Once all of my generations are done and downloaded with me, so the next step is we need to go ahead and compile everything together. I'm gonna use Filmora for that. I'm gonna simply import all of my files right over here. Simply, just drag and drop those on the timeline. Nothing too special, because the editing has already been done. So once everything is done, I have simply added all of my clips right over here. I'm gonna export this, and let me show you the final output.
Oh my god, there is so much destruction going on. What should I do? The building is about to fall off. Oh no, everything is collapsing. I can't handle this by myself. I need help. I have to do something before it's too late. I can't waste any more time. If I don't act now, everything will be gone. Where is that crane? I need to find it fast. Look over there. The building is about to collapse, guy. We need to act fast. You're right. Tell me what to do, and I'll help you. Help me with the crane. We don't have much time. This is so dangerous. What if the crane can't hold it? Oh no, it's slipping. Hold on, I have to control this. I can't let everything collapse.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create amazing videos just like these. I basically told you the complete process to do so. And if you want, obviously you can go ahead and create as much long videos as you want. So this guy has been making 32-minute long videos, so you can go ahead and do that as well very easily. You can follow the same method. Obviously it's going to take more of a time, so this video I told you a sample of how you can do that. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.